and this is my closet. I conditioned my hair today and the bangs they kind of look greasy. But I do want you to know that I washed my hair and I deep conditioned it, so it's clean. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I have a Grove collaborative and it is so heavy. And it was supposed to be canceled over the summer, and they didn't cancel it, and I got an email. They charged me. They're sending it to Arizona. I immediately contacted them, said, no, I'm not there. Just cancel it. And like the next day, they refunded my money. And in Washington, this box just popped up. So I have to go through all my bank accounts, see if they rebuild me. If not, there's a big note on here that says, thank you, Robin. So I don't know if they just sent it to me, but we'll find out. So if you don't know, it is a, I don't know, do you say it's a subscription box? You really don't subscribe to it, but you can put your orders on, so every month you get an order. You can switch it up so that you don't get the same things, and they have, I will leave a link below. You can get, I think it's $10 off your first box. You get a bunch of free products when you sign up. So let's get into it. I hope you guys are having a great fall. I see there is a lot of Halloween videos on YouTube with makeup, and if you have a chance, just search for those, because there are YouTubers that are doing incredible makeup jobs. So the first thing that is in this box that I can't reach out is toilet paper. So how intimate is that? And there is, it's 100% recycled bath tissue. Don't know how I feel about that. 7th generation, and it looks like there are 12 rolls in here. And I had ordered the toilet paper when I first subscribed, and I really liked it. We normally go to Costco, load up on it, but this is so much more convenient that they will mail it to you, you know, monthly or whenever you need it. And I'm not sure if there's a price list in here, so I will hunt for that. The next thing is a 2-pack of the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. They put it in such nice reading that these old eyes can't read it. But I did get this in my first box and loved the sponges. The next thing in here is floor cleaner, orange and rosemary. Oh, doesn't that sound good? Remove the nozzle of your 16-ounce Grove silicone sleeve spray bottle, and then I guess you fill it with water, excuse me, and add this to it. So I'm thinking somewhere there's a spray bottle, and there's actually a couple of tubes in here. It's hard to smell, but yeah, I haven't tried these before, so I'm anxious to try them. I'm going to put you on standby. I am so sorry. We've got the heater going here, and it's just so dry in the house. So the next thing, wow, is room spray, lemongrass, and verbena. Okay, the next thing is room spray, lemongrass, and verbena. and you add a few drops to an 8-ounce Grove bottle. So I'm going to smell this one, hopefully. Oh, maybe not. I really can't smell it, but I got some room sprays in my first box, and they were awesome. And a heavy bag, laundry detergent packs. They had all these different flavors for laundry detergent. This one is the lavender and rosemary, and it has 45 loads. So this I'm going to keep up here. My suitcase is already heavy enough to go back, but I can't remember what I got the first box, but they smelled delicious. And of course I'm dropping everything. And the next thing is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, and this lemon and verbena dish soap. So I bought this in my first box, and it's great, and it lasts a long time. And hand soap, and this it's made with olive oil and aloe vera and lavender. And again, these are great sizes, and it's nice that they deliver it. And then we got these great tubes, and this is the 16-ounce spray bottle. So I'm thinking you could mix the floor spray in here and the room spray in here. And they're super nice bottles. And look, I've got it so nicely packaged. It's got this plastic thing on here. And so this would be perfect to do the floor spray, and I'm thinking the room spray. And I didn't see a price sheet in here, but you can go, again, I will leave the link in their website, and you can go look at everything. And again, they're not that expensive. And then we got the hand sanitizer gel in blood orange. So they packed this stuff really nice because nothing so far was damaged, and I have a feeling that this went all over the place. Let's see if I can get this. Sorry about that. A few pumps, here it comes. Oh. It smells really good, and especially when you're filming and you're touching so many different products, whether it's beauty, lifestyle, or even household products. This is really a nice bottle to keep by your filming, and let me tell you, it smells so good. And let's see if there's anything else in here. I just keep adding stuff to my packing pile. Another round container. This is the room spray bottle. So look at the nice packaging. Oh yeah, I remember. I got this one in my first because I liked this kind of apothecary look to it, and I want to say I got like a berry scent to go into that one. So this is perfect to keep here, even although we're leaving. That's really nice. And let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't see anything else, and I'm so sorry that I can't tell you the prices of all these products, but it's definitely worth checking their website, and if you haven't signed up for it, it's definitely something to sign up for. So please don't forget to comment, 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 and you guys just have an awesome day.